Okay, is it visible?
Yes.
Apakah terlihat? Okay, okay. The, this is discussion of our today course about what is your hobby? Okay, apa hobimu in uh, speaking bahasa, speak on bahasa.
Apa hobimu?
Ya, apa hobimu? Okay, before you,
Apa, ho apa hobimu means what is your hobby?
ya, apa hobimu? It means you say what is your hobby? It means like what is your hobby
Okay.
in bahasa Indonesia? Apa hobimu? When you share to your friend or talk to your friend, ask to your friend
Mhm.
or
Mhm.
someone about asking about what is your hobby. It means like that. It means like apa hobimu in bahasa
Okay.
Indonesia. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. For the first, who want to practice uh, in this meeting to your uh, partner course, Mr. and Mrs. Mr. Tununu to Miss Rita Otman. Please
Mhm.
pronounce you uh, apa hobimu to Rita Otman, to Miss Rita Otman.
Okay, yeah, sure. Mr. Tanuno, please.
Let's
Yes,
practice.
yes, yes. Okay. Mhm. So I'll say um, saya suka what? What is the verb for listening?
Mendengar.
Mendengar, mendengar.
Mendengar.
Yeah, listening it means mendengar in bahasa.
Mendengar.
Ya.
Okay, fine. Saya suka mendengar music gospel.
Oke, good.
Apa hobimu, Madam Rita?
Okey, menarik. Hobi awak sangat menarik. Okey, hobi saya adalah saya suka mengambil gambar foto.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Say it again. I didn't get it well
Saya,
at the end.
saya suka
Saya mhm,
merakam
Murakan. Mhm.
merakam foto.
Okay.
I'm not really sure the correct words for Indonesia language. What is mengambil gambar?
It basically means the same. It means taking a picture or taking a photo.
So mengambil
Okay.
gambar atau merakam gambar?
Mengambil is for
Mengambil.
pictures.
Okay.
Meanwhile, merekam is for videos.
Okay, clear. So yeah, hobi saya adalah mengambil gambar.
Aha. Mengambil gambar. Okay, that is taking photos.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Ah, sama-sama.
Okay, you have done practice with including introduce to introduce yourself to. Uh, okay,
Oh, we start with nama saya. Okay, fine. Aha,
yeah,
okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
there are
Mm-mm.
consist.
My name, where I'm from, and then I have what I am, and then I like this. Okay, fine.
There are
Mm-hmm.
consist of kind introduce in bahasa
Okay.
Indonesia.
Okay.
For the first, you can say nama saya for
Mm-hmm.
introduce, and then you can also use saya dari and
Mm.
saya berumur. Untuk uh, saya dari itu uh, menunjukkan from where do you come from and uh, where do you uh, live. Uh, itu untuk for using uh, for using what uh, what were you come from, dari mana kalian datang.
We take it before.
For the last
Okay.
part, uh, saya berumur. It means you are asking to your someone about age, about age.
Yeah.
Umur. It means in bahasa umur. You can say umur. Saya umur 24 tahun. I am 24 years old. Okay, who want to practice all of this kind of this part? Siapa yang mau mencoba?
Introduce ourselves.
Miss Farah, you would like to start first?
But I don't know how can I say my hobby is reading books in Bahasa Indonesia.
Oh, saya suka membaca buku.
Membaca buku.
Yeah, I type. I mean I send in our chat.
What?
Check the chat box.
Not read books.
Chat. In
The
the
chat
chat
box.
box.
Our message.
Pardon.
Okay, saya suka
Mm-hmm.
suka
membaca
ya
membaca ya buku.
Saya suka membaca buku.
Yes, 100%. It's great.
Mm-hmm.
Suka means love or like, right?
Like.
Okay,
Okay. I will do it.
okay. Mr. Nicky
Can I?
will explain the next slide.
No, Iksan. Actually, probably we would like to start over from Miss Farah, maybe. Have you learned about the introduction previously? About your name and then where you come from? Okay. Can you?
Nama saya Farah Rahmi. Saya dari Gaza, Palestina. Saya berumur 20 tahun, right?
Yes.
Saya suka what?
Membaca.
Membaca buku.
Yay!
Yes.
Great job. Okay,
Thank
that's correct, yeah. And then we can continue to Miss Rita. Can you introduce yourself?
Go on, Rita. Go on.
Yeah, sure. Okay, nama saya Rita Osman. Saya dari Malaysia. Saya berumur 30 tahun. Saya suka, hobi saya suka mengambil gambar.
Excellent, Miss Rita.
I take it as a compliment. Yeah, Mr. Tenunu, come on.
You
Go on,
remind
Miss
me the verb. Remind me the verb again. Menda what? The listening one.
Mendengar.
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 Ya.
Mendengar. Okay. So nama saya Tununu Mafleka. Saya dari Lilongwe, Malawi. Saya berumur 46 tahun. Saya suka
Mendengar.
mendengar music gospel.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Awesome,
thank
awesome.
you.
Okay, great job, everyone. So yeah, that's our starting point, and then we are going to learn more about hobbies in Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, okay. Next slide,
Thank you.
please.
Mari ulas kembali. Let's review.
Mari ulas kembali. Let's review. What are we
Yeah.
reviewing?
Yeah, so before having this session, you already learned so many things in Bahasa Indonesia, right? Before stepping into hobbies specifically, we are going to review it together. We're going to play a quiz together. So, Ihsan, if you may, can we switch to the Wayground tab?
Sorry, Kay?
Can you switch to the Wayground tab? Can you exit from Canva and open the Wayground tab?
Wait.
Are there any difficulties, Ihsan? Okay, it's okay. I can share it by myself. Please wait a moment. No, it's okay. It's okay, son. I can share it by myself. Please wait a minute. Please tell me if it's already visible, all right? Okay, is it already visible in your screens?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, are you ready for this short review? It's only 15 questions.
Only.
Only. Okay, but I'm sure it'll be easy because you already learned this. Hopefully not too hard. So when I start this, you can answer by saying the answer. It's multiple choice. So you can just say the answer that's written in the quiz. All right. It has no sound, but okay.
Go.
Yeah. Please just shout the answer, okay? If you know.
Hello, nama saya Ana. Siapa nama kamu?
Nama saya Bayu.
Yeah,
Number
correct.
Yeah.
3.
Orange.
It's orange. Do you
Nama
think?
saya what?
Yeah, orange.
Okay. We'll stick with the orange.
Yeah.
Yay, it's right.
Yay.
Okay. Now, how do you introduce yourself?
Nama saya.
Yeah, correct.
Correct.
Green one.
Green one.
Okay, the third question, if someone asks dari mana kamu, you answer it with
Saya.
Saya dari
Yeah,
Yes.
purple.
Saya dari.
Yes.
Saya dari.
Yes.
blah, blah.
Great job.
Saya dari Malawi.
And next, you tell someone about your age by saying
Saya.
The first one.
saya.
Saya biru.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, it's saya berumur.
Yeah.
Okay, next week
Okay.
you meet someone at 8 a.m. What do you say to them?
Mr. Tununu, what do we answer? We
Selamat,
meet someone at 8
selamat
a.m.
pagi.
Selamat
Selamat
pagi. Are
pagi.
you sure? Are you sure? Wait, it's a blue one.
Yeah,
Correct.
selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Yeah,
Pagi?
Pagi.
pagi, yes, because 8 a.m. is morning.
Yes. Now, which
Yeah.
one? Which one is the
Farah.
farewell expression?
Yeah, farewell. Okay, farewell.
What do you
So, which one, guys?
like?
Selamat sore.
No,
Selamat sore?
no.
No, I think
Come
there's
on, choose
answer.
the color.
Choose the color.
Oh, sampai jumpa. Sampai
Yes.
jumpa.
Mr. Tununu,
Okay.
good one.
Good point. And next, we meet a friend at 9 p.m. What do we say?
What do we say? Come on, Miss Farah.
9 p.m.
9 p.m. Yes.
Yeah. Selamat.
Selamat.
Siang.
Selamat siang.
No.
There's a better.
9 p.m. Selamat malam.
Selamat malam. Is it?
Mhm.
Is it? Is it?
It's purple.
No.
Purple? Right.
Right.
Selamat malam.
Yes.
Malam, yes.
And
How do you say how are you in
How are you?
bahasa Inggris?
Okay, how are you?
Apa kabar?
Yeah,
Apa kabar?
Yes.
perfect. Apa kabar?
Now we're moving to
Yes.
onto numbers. So,
Numbers. I love numbers. Mr. Tununu, come on.
The purple one.
23.
Yeah.
That's 23. 23.
23.
Ooh.
Wait.
Yes.
And how do you
Good,
say
good.
18 in English?
18. Yeah.
18. Mm,
Come on.
Belas 8.
Plus 8? Is that so?
It's
Or is there a better answer?
it's
don't know.
18.
18. Not
Yeah.
18.
Right. It's
Oh,
18.
not belas 8, but 18.
Yes,
Yeah.
18. And what time is this? What time is the
Pukul
clock?
1. Pukul 1.
Pukul 1.
Yes.
Wah.
Great job. You're doing so well.
Clever, ah.
And which one means
7 o'clock now. Come on. 7 o'clock.
Pukul 7.
Pukul 7.
Pukul 7?
Pukul 7.
You
You
guys
both are so good.
fast. Now we're moving on to families. You've learned this before. Who is Ibu in the
Mother.
family?
Easy.
Mother, yes.
Yes,
Mother.
And what does ayah mean?
Ayah.
Ayah means father.
Yeah.
Father.
Great.
Grandfather is kakek, right?
Yes. And the last
Yeah,
one, we're
grandpa.
already on this last question.
Yeah.
What does
Uncle,
mean?
uncle.
Uncle is
Paman. right?
Yeah,
Paman.
paman.
Yes,
Paman,
uncle,
okay.
Good
paman.
job, guys. Good job.
Was it
Excellent.
easy or a little bit challenging?
Oh, it's easy, I think.
Easy.
I think it's better. It's not very difficult.
Yeah. It means that you've remembered the material well, so good job. Now can we move back to the perhaps the material? Wait, I'm going to stop my share screen.
Mm-hmm.
Can we move back to the PowerPoint, Isan?
Okay, just guys.
Ari Uras Kembari.
Yeah,
Mari, kembali.
yeah,
It-
it's the activity we did previously. So maybe we
Yes,
can move on to the next slide.
correct.
Okay, so these are the vocabularies for some hobbies in Bahasa Indonesia. So yeah, maybe I would like to say it one by one, and you guys can follow me. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So the first one is melukis.
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 It's melukis.
Melukis.
Malukis.
Yes. It means painting. And then the next one is menari.
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 Once more.
Menari.
Menari.
Okay, that's right. Menari, it is dancing. And then the next one is Mr. Tununuhobi. So
Yes.
it's mendengar musik.
Mendengar music.
Mendengar musik.
Yes. It's not music, but musik.
Musik.
Yes,
Musik.
musik. Yeah.
Mendengar musik.
Yes, that's right.
Musik. Okay, musik.
Musik, yeah. And then the next one is menonton film.
Menonton film.
Menonton film. Film. How do you pronounce the film?
Film.
Yeah.
Menonton film.
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 Yes, film. So it should
Menonton
be
film.
yes, film. So it should be the sounds in the middle of L and M. So it's menonton film. Yeah.
Menonton film. Okay.
And then the next one is memasak.
Memasak.
Yes, memasak.
Memasak.
Yeah. And then the next one is menggambar.
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 Yes.
What's the difference with
Menggambar.
melukis is painting and drawing
Yes.
menggambar.
Yeah. Melukis is only menggambar is only the drawing, but melukis is painting. So as you guys noticed, we have a lot of me sounds in these vocabularies because
Yes, me.
me means doing something. So when we say menari, it means doing the dancing.
Ari means dancing. Dance.
Nari, yes. Nari means dancing. Nari means dance.
M and E is doing something.
Yes. Mo is doing something. Yeah.
Mo is doing something. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Have you guys got it?
Yeah, we got it.
Okay. Okay, maybe the next slide. Miss Jaskai, would you like to explain?
Okay, sure, Nico. Can we move on to the next slide, Isan? Right. So now we have fishing, which is memancing. Can you repeat it?
Memancing.
Memancing.
Memancing. Okay.
Memancing.
Memancing. So it's like a m, not a meh. It's
Mo. Mo. Mancing.
Yeah,
Memancing.
memancing. Yes, it means fishing. So maybe a little bit of cultural exchange here. So in Indonesia, fishing is more of a, I don't know, it's like an old man's activity, but it is also popular with college students, especially in the later years when they're already seniors, because in Indonesia, college students are required to do thesis, right? Or like written tasks for their graduation. So they usually do fishing to procrastinate, to distract themselves from doing their thesis. So it's kind of like an inside joke if a college senior goes fishing, and yeah, the friends will make fun of them. And next we have Miss Farah's hobby, which is membaca.
Membaca.
Membaca. Membaca.
Membaca. Yes. So membaca is reading, but it doesn't specify what you're reading. So if, like Miss Farah earlier, you like to read books, you can say membaca buku.
Yeah.
Buku is book.
Baca buku. Okay.
And if you like to read newspapers, for example, you can say membaca koran.
Membaca koran.
And if you like magazines, for example, you can say membaca majalah.
Membaca majalah.
Yes.
Majalah. So majalah is magazine.
Yeah.
Majalah.
Yes, majalah. Are there any
Majalah.
questions
Okay.
or something you want to ask before we move on to the next slide?
No.
Okay, it's all good. Maybe for the next slide, Mr. Nico, do you want to do it or?
Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the previous one, it's only like the activity. So it doesn't have any explanation. What are you, for example, what are you reading, and what are you cooking, and etc. So this is like the additional information. So after you state the previous vocabularies, you have to add some information to make it clear what are you doing. So for example, here it is Miss Rita hobby. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, actually, it should be taking picture. I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah.
So, yeah, melukis pemandangan. Can you say it?
Melukis
pemandangan.
Pemandangan.
Melukis pemandangan. Okay.
Pemandangan, ya. So pemandangan.
Pemandangan.
Yeah, pemandangan means scenery. So painting scenery. So melukis pemandangan. So it is additional information for melukis, for painting. And then the next one is menari tradisional.
Menari tradisional.
Menari tradisional.
Yeah, it means traditional dancing. Yeah. And then mendengar musik klasik. It's a bit long, but I guess yeah. Can you repeat it? Can you say it?
Okay.
Mendengar musik klasik.
Mendengar musik klasik.
Yeah. Maybe for Mr. Tununu, it can be changed into mendengar musik gospel. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then menonton film horor.
Menonton film horor.
Yeah.
Menonton film horor. Watching horror films.
Okay, the next one is memasak kudapan.
Memasak Kudapan.
Memasak kudapan.
So yeah, kudapan actually not really the word kudapan, it's not really popular in Indonesia. We usually say it as makanan manis pencuci mulut or pencuci mulut. And then the next one is menggambar kartun.
Menggambar kartun.
Menggambar kartun.
Menggambar kartun. Cartoon.
Okay, yeah, that's right.
Cartoon.
So maybe the next slide.
Yeah.
Okay, Ihsan, do you want to explain it?
Okay. This there are vocabulary for begin with imbuhan ber. You guys need to read with first pronounce like bermain basket, berkebun, berenang, dan bernyanyi. Oke, Mr. Tununu, did you have playing games?
Yes, when I was young, I used to play football.
Yes. Oke. In bahasa Indonesia, you can speak bermain bola.
Bermain bola.
Ya.
Bermain bola.
Bola.
Playing football.
Yes, playing football. It means in bahasa is bermain bola.
Bermain bola.
Okay.
Mr.
For the
Tununu,
second,
it's bola, not bora, bola.
bola. Yeah.
Bola.
Ya, keren.
Bermain bola.
Ya, keren.
Yeah.
Okay. For the next, for Miss Farah, did you have playing some games or sports? Did you playing some sports or?
As Mr. Sununu, when I was young, I was playing with the club of our school, playing football.
Oh, do you like to play football? Oh, great.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good.
Amazing.
Okay. I like I like to playing football in Indonesia because I did join the club in my district. Okay.
That's nice.
Yeah. Okay. For the next, we will read berkebun, gardening. It means berkebun, gardening.
Berkebun.
Do you know gardening?
Gardening, ya, berkebun.
Yes, gardening, berkebun. It means like you planting some tumbuhan, planting like a tree or something like kind of tree.
Yeah.
Ya.
It means like pohon.
Ya.
Tree, flowers too. Bunga. Do you know flowers?
Flowers, bunga.
You can say berkebun with planting flowers, gardening with planting flowers, berkebun menanam bunga. It means in bahasa Indonesia.
Okay, so we have other verbs that is menanam.
Menanam.
We berkebun.
Planting. Sorry. Menanam. It means planting.
Planting,
Ya,
menanam, planting.
ya, planting. Menanam.
Ya,
I have a
berkebun.
question.
Ya.
Oh, yes.
When we say mimpasa, mimba,
Memba- Membaca.
reading,
Yes. Reading.
we say M and E at first,
Mem.
but now
Oh,
we say PER, per, like per,
oh.
per cup.
Do you ask what the differences?
Yeah,
Okay. The 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 meaning of mem. It means we do something but not object. We do something without object. But for for the first ber, it means starting with object. Like
yeah,
membaca. It's different like for with it's different. Membaca is different from bermain like we act some to do.
yeah.
With the object like a football, basketball.
I understand. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. For the next after gardening, we move to swimming, berenang, swimming. Did you ever swimming, Mr.
Yeah.
Tunun? Did you ever swimming?
No, not much. I didn't learn swimming.
Oh, do you not like swimming?
No. I'm afraid of water. I'm afraid of water. I'm afraid of drowning.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Right.
Okay. For Miss Farah, do you like swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah. Swimming in Indonesia it means berenang.
Berenang.
Like this.
Do we pronounce the G at the end or we don't? Berenang or Benang?
Berenang. The last
I think in
sound?
the last
Sound. Last sound.
yeah, we don't say it. Berenang.
Yeah,
Okay.
berenang.
Okay.
It's like hard scene.
Silent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which part is silent? Berenang?
Yeah, berenang.
Berenang. Nothing
Yeah.
silence in that words, right?
The last one.
Okay,
bernyanyi.
Miss Rita.
Yeah.
Did you like berenang? Did you ever?
Yeah, sure. I love to swim.
Where you swim in Malaysia? Where are you swimming in Malaysia?
In the aquatic sports center.
Oh, aquatic sports center. It's is it usually using for Olympic or not?
Yeah, for the nation sports event.
Oh, a lot of even swimming. From there, okay. Okay, for the last one, we for the last one we say bernyanyi, singing.
Yeah, bernyanyi.
Bernyanyi.
Loves to singing. Bernyanyi.
Bernyanyi, okay.
He like singing, like Mr. Tununo is singing.
Yes.
Listening.
Yes, who loves to
Yes,
listen
I
to
like
music,
it.
loves to sing as well, right?
Yes, I do. Bernyanyi.
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 Ya,
Yeah,
suka bernyanyi.
correct. Saya suka bernyanyi.
Suka
Saya suka
Saya
bernyanyi.
suka menyanyi.
bernyanyi. What kind of your music, Miss Rita?
Oh, maybe I love hip hop.
What? Sorry. Can you repeat?
My genres?
Yes.
Yeah, I love hip hop music.
Oh, hip hop music.
Yeah.
Okay. What
Yeah.
what types of hip hop music?
Oh, what type of? I don't really know what the kind of the type of the music, but yeah, the singer maybe I can tell you Eminem.
Oh, Eminem.
Yeah.
I've heard, but I never play them the artist.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Okay. I think we will continue to the next slide.
Yes,
Okay.
let's play game. Yeah.
Let's play a game.
Yeah, we love this.
Let's play a game. Lihat emoji di bawah ini. Tebak hobinya dalam bahasa Indonesia. Look at emojis below. Guess the hobby in Indonesian. Okay, for the first hobbies, what is it? Miss Farah, what is it for the first hobby?
I forget it.
This is what Mr. Tununu. Mr. Tununu, you said it before.
What is it?
Bola.
Bola, yeah.
Yeah,
Bola, yes.
good. Okay, football, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a football?
Yes. That's
Yeah.
bola.
Bahasa.
In bahasa you say
Yeah.
suka
Bermain.
bermain suka bermain bola.
Bola. Yes.
Okay, good.
Bola.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Give a plus for Mr. Tununu. Okay, for the second. Oh, what is it? What to play?
Guitar.
Yes. Right. This is a guitar. Playing guitar.
Bermain gitar?
Is it
Yeah.
bermain guitar?
Yes.
No.
Bermain gitar.
What is this? In English, not in Bahasa.
A guitar.
Playing a guitar.
Yeah.
In English, guitar. In Indonesia, gitar. G-I-T-A-R.
Easy,
Yeah.
right? Easy, right?
Yeah.
So just transform guitar and guitar.
I think I was thinking he say in English, not in Bahasa. It's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the same. Yeah. Sure.
Bermain
I think the
gitar.
difference is just the pronunciation, eh?
Mhm.
Okay. For the third, what is it?
This one.
Melukis.
Yeah, exactly. Mrs. Farah. Melukis.
Melukis.
Melukis. Okay. This is different, right? On the above, bermain and me.
Melukis. Is it?
This is melukis, not berlukis. Okay, for the fourth, what is it? The hobbies. What kind of the hobbies?
Number 4.
Number 4? For number 4?
Where is it? It's not displaying.
Memancing.
Yeah, exactly. Memancing. Memancing.
I cannot see the number 4 one. Where is it?
It's here,
Oh,
Mr.
see, what do you
Suleiman.
mean?
My screen cannot show. Maybe.
Do it like this. Do the
I
font like
scroll. Ah, okay, fishing. Okay.
Fishing, yeah.
Yeah, memancing.
Mhm. Yeah, no manchi.
The last
Fishing.
one is Mr.
Yes.
Tununu second hobby. After
Yeah.
listening to music, they
The last
love
one
to
is Mr.
Singing,
Todono hobby is
yes.
singing, yeah.
menyanyi,
Menyanyi.
Menyanyi, yes, menyanyi.
menyanyi.
Menyanyi. Bernyanyi or menyanyi?
Manyan.
Menyanyi.
Is it?
Menyanyi or bernyanyi?
I think it's bernyanyi.
Yes, exactly, bernyanyi.
Miss Farah, there is a confusion. I know. When it comes to activity, you should use ber.
Uh,
You
Sorry.
can say it.
When it comes to activity, you use me. When it comes to things, you use ber.
Okay.
yeah,
It was like memancing, fishing activity, right? So you use memancing, me.
me.
When singing is activity, right? Menyanyi.
Okay, Jaskai, could you
Okay, probably I would like to have to clarify. So
Yeah.
actually, we use ber if did the activity by itself. So we do not we can say it by itself. So we do not add the explanation. For example, we use berlari means running. So it's the activity itself. So we use ber. On the other hand, we use me. So it should have the object. So we did the activity with the object. For example, we memasak. Memasak means cooking. So memasak soup, for example. So it has the object. So we do not. So the activity has the object, or something like that. Is it clear or
Again?
okay?
Come again?
So we use ber. It is for the activity we without the object. For example, running. In bahasa Indonesia we say it berlari. So it's only the
Berlari.
activity,
No object.
no object. And
Okay.
then we use me for the object, the activity that requires the object.
You mean berkebun needs no object?
Sometimes berkebun itself is like the active. So how do I say it? So it's not necessarily needs an object. So we use ber. It's not necessarily means an object. So berkebun itself, you don't have to explain the object because berkebun, it's like the activity. How do I say it?
Yeah, can I help?
Let me
Yeah,
try
yeah.
let me try using an English example.
Oh yeah,
I
yeah.
like playing and I like playing football. So I am playing is like you use the word playing as a verb. I am playing. But when you say I like playing football, it means that way the football has been does have an object, football. So you can have playing football, and then the other one just say I am playing. So maybe I'm playing, you can use bear, whereas playing football you can use mer. Is that correct?
Let me put it this way. So as Mr. Nico said, we'll use berkebun versus memasak. So when you say saya suka berkebun, people already know that you're tending to your garden, you're doing something there, so you don't have to explain it any further. Meanwhile, when you say I am cooking or saya memasak, you still need clarification because people don't know what you're cooking. Sure, you're cooking, but what are you cooking? Are you cooking soup, for example, fried rice? So to put it like that way, so the activities that begin with me might need some more clarification. Like for while for be, Mr. Nico, can you help me on the ber one? Yeah, so for ber, it kind of really needs an object too, but most of the time it stands alone. You can let it be by itself. Is it right, Mr. Nico?
Yes, something like. Okay, maybe. Okay, do you still have any question or do you still confused?
Or for me, no, I'm totally understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about Mr. Tununu and Miss Farah?
I think I understand.
Okay. Okay, maybe we can move on to the next slide.
Right, okay, now we have the tata bahasa or grammar on how to express or ask hobbies. Fortunately, we already learned this, somehow you already know this. So to ask what is your hobby, we say, apa hobimu? Can you repeat it? We say, apa hobimu?
Apa hobimu?
Yes.
What's
So,
your hobby?
right, apa means what and hobimu is, hobby is also, of course, hobby and mu is your. So, together it's apa hobimu.
Apa
And
hobimu?
to answer it, you can say, hobi saya, blah, 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 insert your hobby. Like, my hobby before is hobi saya bermain game. Maybe let's try inserting your own hobbies. When answering with hobi saya, we can start with Miss Trita. Can you say hobi saya?
Hobi saya mengambil gambar.
Yes, great job. And then Miss Farah?
Atau saya suka mengambil gambar.
Yes, like that.
Okay.
How about you, Miss Farah?
Hobi saya membaca buku.
Hobi saya membaca buku. Now, we can try with the one below. It's saya suka or I like. Can you do that? Saya suka.
Saya suka. Oh, Miss Farah. Okay.
Yeah, Miss Farah.
Saya suka membaca buku.
Right. And last but not least, Mr. Tununu. Can you say hobi saya?
Hobi saya bernyanyi.
Bernyanyi. And the one below, using saya suka.
Saya suka bernyanyi.
Yes, good job. Before we move on, are there any questions? Maybe like how to express like the word love or another way to ask hobbies, or maybe hobbies that haven't been mentioned yet in Bahasa Indonesia. Please feel free. If not, you guys can just thumbs up or say you're good.
How about chatting? Chatting like sharing stories with your friends. How do you say it?
Is it chatting in like real life and like talking or like through social media?
No. In real life,
Oh.
where we sit around and then we share stories, we laugh and all that.
I think we can say it's called mengobrol. Is it right, Mr. Nico? Or is it?
Share story. You will say share story, Mr. Tununo?
Chatting as in chatting like this, where you have your friends and then you're chatting like this. Chatting. I've written in the chat box.
Chatting.
Oh, it's mengobrol, like Miss
Mengobrol.
Jaska said.
Mengobrol.
Yeah, mengobrol.
Mengobrol.
It means mengobrol, chatting. In bahasa popular with mengobrol.
So is it like
Mengobrol itu formal, bahasanya formal ya? Mengobrol.
Yeah, formal. Exactly.
Kalau berbual bukan?
What does it?
Berbual bukan?
It's a different context, Miss Rita.
All right.
So berbual is like when you are joking with someone, right? So in bahasa Indonesia, we say it bercanda.
Bercanda, all right.
Yes, bercanda. So yeah. So Mr. Tununo, I would like to
bercanda is in informal and ngobrol is formal.
Yes, berbual is informal, but mengobrol is formal.
Actually, it can be used in both situations. Actually, yeah. So because it's a different thing, mengobrol is more like chatting, like talking with someone, while berbual is like joking with someone.
Bercanda tadi.
Bercanda, yes.
Okay, baik.
So first of all,
ngobrol kan? Ngobrol. Okay.
Yes, mengobrol.
All right.
Mengobrol. Okay, that's fine.
So it's Mr. Tununo. First of all, I would like to clarify first. Is it chatting like in the short period or in the long time? Like having like a long conversation or?
Yeah, like a long conversation where maybe you sit and you are with your friends and then maybe you're there 30 minutes, 1 hour, you're just sharing stories, talking and all that.
Oh, okay. Because we have two different types of talking with someone. So the first one is like basa-basi. Basa-basi is like when you're talking with someone, but it's only like for a short time. Like when you meet someone and then you have to go, and then you have to go again. So you just say it basa-basi. And maybe yes, small talk, yeah.
Basa-basi. Okay, small talk.
But
when you're talking for a long time?
It's mengobrol.
Mengobrol, okay. Mengobrol. Yeah. Okay. Understood.
Okay. Anything else would like to ask?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Maybe we can continue.
Right, so we're finished with the material, so we're going to practice what we just learned.
Let's practice. Number 1 is
we can just start.
hobby.
What about number 1? Oh, let's to avoid confusion, let's just match the pictures to the words.
Oh.
Okay, number 1 we have Miss Farah's hobby. What is
Membaca.
Yes, great job. So number 1 is membaca. How about number 2? There's someone with a easel, someone sitting. What is she doing?
Melukis.
Yes, painting, or in bahasa Indonesia it's melukis. How about number 3? It's Mr. Tununu's second favorite hobby.
Bernyanyi.
Oh yes, bernyanyi. Can we return to the previous slide? Thank you. But in here it's menyanyi. Mr. Nico, can you help me with the explanation again?
Menyanyi.
Yeah. So yeah, there's two verbs. There's also two forms, menyanyi and bernyanyi, but again, it's similar. So yeah. And fourth, what is it? There's someone with near the water with a bucket.
Oh, fishing. This one is
Fish.
Yeah.
Yeah, the fishing.
memancing.
Yes, it's memancing. Great job. And number 5.
Number 5, bermain.
We have a ball there. It's kind of obvious.
Bermain basket.
Yes, it's bermain.
Yeah, bermain basket.
And the
Yeah.
last one, number 6, we have someone with a frying
One
pan.
is memasak.
Yes, it's
Memasak. Yes.
yes,
Yay.
good job.
All
And
correct. Mr. Truno, Miss Farah, we did it.
yeah, but
Yeah,
that's not
nice.
the only activity we have more. So, Isan, if you will, the next slide, please. Right. We have some multiple choices too. So, can we move to the word wall?
Ayo berlatih. Ayo.
No, the other one, the one before it. Yes. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please look at the picture. What is the hobby shown here?
Easy.
Easy.
Yeah.
The first
What
one.
is it? Which
The
one?
first one.
Blue,
First
red,
one?
orange,
Melukis.
or
Melukis?
Blue, melukis.
Yes,
Melukis.
melukis.
huh, clever.
Yes. And how about this one? We've
Yeah,
discussed
this
it
one, Miss
many
Farah, come
times.
on.
Miss Farah, yes.
Membaca.
Yes.
Membaca, yes.
Please click the yellow one, Nixon. Thank you. Yes, it is correct. That is membaca. And how about this? There are some
Easy.
players. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Playing basketball.
Playing basketball. What is it
Playing
in Indonesia?
basketball. Bermain basket.
Yes.
Yes.
Easy, right? Easy. Basketball, basket.
Yeah.
Yeah. Film.
What is this?
Easy. This one, Mr. Tununo, come on.
Memancing.
Yeah.
Memancing.
Memancing, yeah.
Yeah.
In you we trust. Come on.
Where is our Miss Farah now?
And how about this? We have a lot of food
Memasak.
here.
This is cooking.
Yeah, memasak. Miss Farah already answered.
Memasak.
Yeah.
Yes.
Excellent. You guys excellent.
Now we're going to remember the words we use. How do you ask someone about their hobby?
Easy.
The number 3 one. Apa hobimu?
Orange.
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly.
Apa hobimu?
Apa hobimu? Yes.
Hobi saya mendengar music gospel.
And now
Yeah.
a bit harder one.
Hobi
complete the
saya. Hobi saya.
Yeah.
sentence. Yeah.
Berenang.
But what does berenang
Berenang.
mean? Do you remember?
Berenang, what is berenang, Mr. Truno?
Berenang.
Yeah, swimming.
Yeah, it's something you don't.
Swimming. Okay, I forgot that.
And of course, this is easy because we've said this lots of times before. But which sentence is I like reading?
Come on, Miss Farah, this is your thing.
Miss Farah, this is yours.
Yeah, correct.
Nama saya membaca. Yes.
Saya suka membaca.
Saya suka.
Hobi saya membaca.
Oh, saya suka membaca, not nama saya membaca. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Complete the sentence. Saya suka.
Saya suka second
The
hobi
first
of
one.
yeah, purple.
The first
bernyanyi.
one. The first one.
Saya suka bernyanyi.
Excellent. All my friend is excellent.
And the last one,
Mhm.
The
how
last
do
one,
you
come on,
answer
guys.
the
Apa
question?
hobimu?
Apa hobimu?
Apa
Hobi
hobimu?
saya memasak.
Yeah,
Correct.
correct. Awesome. Bravo.
Please click.
Thank
Mhm.
you.
Yeah.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Sama-sama.
So that's all for the quiz. How did you find it? Was it easy or did you still forget some of the words?
We forget, but
Mm.
we will study it and we will not forget.
It's okay. It's okay. We're studying after all. It's okay to make mistakes.
Sure.
Now, can we go back to
Apa hobimu? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Can we go back to the presentation, please, Isan?
It's not nama saya membaca, Mr. Nunu. Please,
Yeah,
No, it's not nama saya
Pra-
membaca. It's
please
saya
practice more.
suka membaca.
Yeah, correct. That is not nama saya membaca.
No, nama saya is my name is. So I forgot that. Yeah, it's like my name is reading.
You got it. Kamu suka bercanda.
What's this?
Kamu suka
Yeah, it's the one we did earlier. So can we move on, please, Isan?
Yeah, sure.
Please reopen the Padlet, if you will. Wait, I'm just going to share it in the chat. So we have a link here.
Link.
You can open it first. Isan, please open it too to share it in the Zoom. Share screen it. Yeah, so as you can see there, you have to write your name, your age, and your hobbies using the words we've learned before, both in this session or in the previous session. So you can open the link that I sent in the Zoom chat box and right there. It's okay if you submit it and it's still waiting.
I don't know why the chat book in the Zoom don't work. Didn't work.
Wait. Or else.
Yesterday,
Yes.
the same thing has happened.
Or maybe I can. Isan, please take down your share screen. I'll share it instead.
I can say it.
Yeah. Miss Farah, if you can't access it, you can use my screen. So can you access the link, or do you want to write it here? Turn saying it.
Okay.
Okay. So
I will say and you will write.
Yes.
Okay. I will say that what I had said at the first
so
at the beginning of the
the beginning, like in the beginning of the session, we're basically
Namaste.
What do you say?
Nama saya Farah Ismi. Saya dari Gaza, Palestina. Saya berumur 20 tahun.
Can you repeat the age?
20 tahun. 20 years old.
Tahun.
I like hobi
Yeah.
saya membaca buku. Or we can say saya suka membaca buku, right?
Okay, yeah. And to close it, we can say
What is salam kenal means?
salam kenal is some sort of nice to meet you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Salam kenal.
Salam kenal. Wait, I'll just type it in your name as the subject. So, and Mr. Tununu, do you need help in submitting yours?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
When I'm typing here, it's not showing me.
Yeah. You just can say it and I'll type.
Yeah, you are 13
Okay, fine.
years old. 30.
So just introduce yourself like you would, but at your hobbies.
Okay, I will do that.
Yeah.
I'm writing first
Oh.
on my notebook, then I will dictate it to you.
Okay.
Yeah, just shortly.
Miss Rita.
Miss Rita already submitted first. So, yeah, nama saya
Years old.
Saya berumur 30 tahun. Saya dari Malaysia. Hobi saya mengatur salam kenalan. Good job. So we are now waiting for
Yeah, Miss Farah. Is everything good?
everything.
You look like 20.
20? Yay. See, Mr. Trunu, I'm young.
Uh-huh.
I'm surprised.
You are indeed young.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to say mine now.
Yes, you can.
Yes, nama saya Tununu. Nama saya Tununu. Saya dari Lilongwe, Malawi.
Can you say the what is it, the province before the Malawi part, or just type it in the chat box? It's maybe
Okay, let me see if I can manage to type in the chat box.
yeah. It's okay if it's just for the province or where you come from, because dictating your.
Okay, maybe you can just write Malawi. Just say saya dari Malawi.
Yeah.
Saya berumur 46 tahun.
46 tahun.
46 tahun.
Yes.
Saya belajar bahasa Indonesia.
Saya
belajar bahasa Indonesia.
And using the words we learned today for hobby, what would you say?
Hobi saya.
Wait,
saya suka.
I thought saya suka is okay as just like the hobby saya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
hobby
do you want to use hobby saya or saya suka? Sorry for the interruption.
Saya suka.
Yeah.
Saya suka mendengar. Saya suka mendengar musik gospel.
Musik gospel.
Dan bernyanyi. Dan bernyanyi. Yes.
Is it okay? And let's submit it.
Yes, then before you submit, say terima kasih.
Okay. Okay.
I like that.
Good job.
Yay.
So yeah, that's all for the activity. So can we go back to the Canva, please, Iksan?
How was it, guys? Is it easy? Interesting?
Yeah.
Interesting, yes.
Yeah. So yeah, I think next slide, Mas Ihsan. Okay, maybe let's do. This would be the last activity for today. Maybe let's do some review first. So, what
Mhm.
have you learned today?
Okay, yeah.
Hari ini saya belajar tentang hobi.
Hobby.
Okay, can
Yeah.
you, yeah, can you say what your hobby was?
Hobi saya bernyanyi.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Tununu. You did great.
Thank you.
Okay, the next one maybe Miss Farah.
Yeah. Hari ini saya belajar tentang hobi, right? Hobi saya adalah membaca buku.
Yay, that's right,
Sure.
correct. Okay, the last one is Miss Rita.
Hari ini saya
Silakan.
belajar tentang hobi. Hobi saya adalah ngobrol bersama rakan-rakan saya.
Excellent. Bisa, Bravo.
Okay, well done, guys. So yeah, this is our this is like the end of the meeting. But before we close the class, let's take a picture together for documentation. Okay.
Okay. Insan, can you just put down the share screen, please? Thank you for sharing. Okay. Please, if you want to tidy up first, I'll give you 5 seconds before I hit the screenshot button. So yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, get ready, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Maybe another one. 1, 2, 3. And maybe one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for joining tonight's session.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yes, for the documentation, we'll send it
Thank
to the
you.
group and the PowerPoint.
Terima kasih.
Yes.
Thank you.
Terima kasih semuanya.
Terima
Mas,
kasih.
See you next time.
we should
Terima
we should
kasih.
call
Sama-sama.
Ihsan is Bapak Ihsan, Bapak Nico, no?
Yes.
Bapak is too old, right?
Yes, it's true.
Well, we should call you kakak.
Ya,
Yes,
ya.
kakak is alright ya.
Oke, terima kasih.
Thank you semua.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih semuanya. Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa. Saya duluan ya. Dadah.
Bye bye. Dadah.
Terima kasih.
Sampai jumpa. Sampai jumpa.
Selamat malam. Selamat malam dan selamat tidur.
Selamat malam.
Malam.
Selamat
Ya,
malam.
dadah.
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 Benar, makasih Kak Ihsan. Kalau mau live aja nggak apa-apa. Duluan aja.
Oh. Ini udah. Kalau masih ini.
Udah. Nanti
Udah.
ya, recordingnya bentar. Aku recordingnya stop dulu.